how to enable quiet mode, or how you can temporarily turn off all of the Instagram notifications. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can temporarily disable all of Instagram notifications. So in order to start, the first thing that we're going to do is simply launch our Instagram application by tapping onto the app icon. Now once you're inside your Instagram, you need to tap onto your profile picture at the bottom right. So tap onto this and then you will see your profile page. Now in the profile page you will see three lines present at the top right corner. So tap onto them, and from here you will need to click on notifications in the settings and activity. So click onto this notifications options, and from here you can see this pause all option. So simply enable this pause on toggle, and from here you can determine the period over which you want to pause all of the notifications. Let's say 8 hours, and now all of the notifications will be paused for 8 hours. So that's how easily you can enable quiet mode in Instagram. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.